Hey everyone, welcome back to another lesson here on the channel. Amazon just announced something very big. So this is known as the brand referral bonus. You can enroll now if you have a Seller Central account. What this does is it gives you 10% of every one of your sales for sending outside traffic to Amazon. Now, this does one of two things. So instead of 15% in fees, you're now paying 5%, right? Because you're getting 10% paid back. So if you're selling a $50 product before and there were $7.50 in fees, you're now only paying $2.50 in fees for that product. Now that we've covered that really quick, do me a favor and smash the like button down below. I'm a small growing YouTube channel and I would appreciate it if you did so. Real quick, just do it for me. I'd appreciate it. Thank you. Let's get back to it. But what it's also doing is it's probably going to push a lot of people who were selling on their own websites, on their own e-commerce websites like Shopify and WooCommerce and WordPress sites to sell their products on Amazon because they get all of the benefits of Amazon's conversion rate now. Right? When you send someone, I've sold on Shopify before. If you send someone to your website, generally about 1 to 3% of people will actually purchase. If you send 100 people, maybe 1 to 3 people will purchase. If you send someone to an Amazon listing, 10% might purchase. My products are even higher than that. If you have a well-optimized listing, you could generally achieve a higher conversion rate. Amazon is such a big company and such a trustworthy brand that if a customer lands there to buy your product, they're going to feel a lot safer doing so, and they know they're going to get it in 2 days with that prime shipping. An added benefit of this program is that it's going to allow you to accurately track your third-party advertising sales and data. I used to run Facebook ads and Instagram ads for my Amazon products, and I honestly stopped because there was such a poor system for tracking what was working and what wasn't that it just didn't seem worth it. Now we're going to be able to see where our sales are coming from and know whether those ads are profitable and how we should adjust those advertisements. So your Facebook ads, your Instagram ads, your Google ads that you're running for physical products to try and target the demographic that you're going over to show them something that might be worth their time, you're now going to be able to see if they actually bought from those ads, whereas before that was Shopify's thing, right? Shopify was great for you could plug in your own, it's called a pixel. So you can see what was happening with your ads. You get really accurate data. We now are going to have features like that for our Amazon products with third-party ads. So I think this could be something that's bringing a lot of people who used to be maybe drop shipping with Shopify or even doing holding inventory for Shopify sites over to Amazon. The fees are now almost the exact same, okay? Shopify is charging 2.9% per sale plus 35 cents per transaction. Amazon is charging, they were charging the 15%, but now with the 10% coming off, it's just 5%. So on a $50 product, you might be looking at 4% versus 5%. But with the added benefit of all those more sales that will come from the conversion rate, you could literally go and 10x your sales potentially from all those people that you're sending to your own personal website that they don't know the brand versus Amazon where they know that they can get that product in 2 days and that it is going to have great customer service for it. Now, let's talk about why this is so important and how we can actually use this to our benefit. And specifically my Shopify sellers out there who are watching this going, should I move over to Amazon or should I start an Amazon account as an additional stream for selling my products? Check this out. If you have a well-optimized Amazon listing, you have beautiful photography, you have good copywriting, you have a listing that looks trustworthy and a brand with packaging that looks trustworthy, guess what's going to happen to you by sending external traffic to Amazon and getting sales every single day? You're going to start organically ranking for search terms that people are looking for on Amazon because Amazon's algorithm knows what your product is. So even if they don't search on Amazon to find it, your general sales rank will go up, and all the relevant keywords related to that product you'll start to organically show up for on Amazon, and you'll start making sales from no ads whatsoever. So if your only focus right now is Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and Google ads for your physical products, you can keep doing that with a higher conversion rate, plus start gaining organic traffic from Amazon. Now, organic traffic on a website is almost non-existent unless you have a massive, massive website, right? Amazon traffic is huge. Millions and millions and millions of people are shopping on Amazon every single day, and you're going to be able to take advantage of that by putting a product that they are already looking for in front of them. And it's almost like it's happening by accident, right? So you get this double whammy effect where you're getting the sales from the ads and you're getting a higher conversion rate, but also, oh wait, we're getting 5 additional sales per day that we never would have gotten before for only 1% more in fees now. Plus we have Amazon's customer service if we're choosing to send it into an Amazon warehouse, or we could just do merchant fulfilled Prime. So if you have your own warehouse, you don't have to make this huge transition. You could even escape paying the FBA fees if that's what you're currently doing for your Shopify store. So this is a really, really exciting time to be an Amazon seller, and it just made selling on Amazon that much more of an amazing opportunity in 2021. If you're watching this in a later year or later month, this is still going to be going on. Now, let's talk about, to that point, a year from now, 2 years from now, what might be some downfalls of using the brand referral bonus, because I don't want to so early on say, oh, this is going to be all great and all golden. Well, this 10% bonus might become 5% bonus in a year from now or 2 years from now, which is all the more reason to get on it right now. Well, it is still 10%, and who knows? I mean, it might go up if it's not performing how they thought it would. I think it'll probably only go down. That's one thing that I'm predicting might happen. So that's something to look out for. You also will not be able to reach out to those customers because you're sending them to Amazon. They're now Amazon's customers technically, even though they're buying your product from your brand. Your email marketing, unless done beforehand, is going to be interrupted at that stage because we can't just email Amazon's customers. That would be against the TOS of Amazon to do so. So how do you implement this, and why is this important to you going forward? Well, if you're a beginner and you're just thinking about starting your Amazon business, or you're in between Amazon and Shopify, this might sway you to do Amazon, but use some of the techniques maybe you already learned, or maybe you were already researching for how to send products or send traffic to a Shopify store. So what we're starting to see is this hybrid of Amazon and Shopify. When I started in the e-commerce space in 2017, there was very clear borders. Shopify dropshipping had its own pros and cons, and Amazon had its own pros and cons. There really was no middle point there. It was kind of you went off this way, or you went off this way, and you hung out with the Amazon people, or you hung out with the Shopify people. Now we're going to start seeing these hybrid businesses where, yes, I have my own website, but I also have an Amazon listing, and the traffic kind of coexists together, and I get a bonus by selling my product on Amazon. It organically ranks on Amazon, but I'm also sending traffic to Amazon, or sending traffic to my own website to collect their email before I send them there, and getting people used to seeing that brand name. So I think that'll become a little bit more popular. I know obviously there's no black and white, like people have done that before where they have a website and they sell on Amazon. That's by no means new, but I think that'll be much more popular. I think people are going to start getting trained better in business overall when they're using multiple methods, not just Amazon PPC, but they're using Facebook ads. And they're getting this bonus, which is incentivizing them to stick around on the Amazon platform. It's also dwarfing that 15% referral fee for most products on Amazon. So that's going to do it for today's video. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Comment down below and let me know exactly what might stop you from using the brand referral bonus and what you like about the brand referral bonus. Let me know what you're thinking down below. This was my interpretation of this new program that Amazon is running. I would be happy to see what you have to say, and I'd be happy to reply to you. Do me a favor and click the subscribe button down below so you don't miss videos like this one in the future. Other than that, I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for tuning in. See you next time.